Entry Price TV. Subscribe now.
The 2018 Tesla Model 3 contends with such little extravagance and game cars as the Audi A4 and BMW 3 Series, and its base model is satisfactorily prepared to coordinate their base forms, some of which are sparser than you may anticipate. Including discretionary highlights raises both the cost and the hardware level to coordinate the higher-end forms of those autos. We rate the Tesla Model 3 as 7 calls attention to of 10 for its highlights. We included 1 point apieceto, the normal of 5 focuses for good bass gear, the amazing infotainment highlights gave on the vast focal show, and a great heap of highlights that is the Autopilot alternative, the execution or application, in the event that you like. Be that as it may, we needed to knock off a point for requiring the buy of Autopilot, at a heavy $5,000, in the event that you need any of a few dynamic security highlights. All forms of the Model 3 come standard with keyless passage, double-zone programmed atmosphere control, fabric upholstery, a 60/40 split collapsing backseat back, a sound framework with FM and spilling web radio, and the Mark Focal 15-inch touchscreen. Wi-Fi and LTE remote network, voice-initiated controls, 2 USB ports, and standard route are likewise included. The long-range demonstrate gives a greater battery pack and lifts the range from 220 to 310 miles for $9,000 more. The premium interior bundle, at $5,000, includes various highlights that make the launch all the more engaging. Those incorporate warm seats with premium trim and upholstery materials, 12-way control movable front seats with memory settings that incorporate the controlling haggle, a top-notch sound framework, a tinted glass rooftop, warmed and auto-darkening foldable side mirrors, LED haze lights, and a secured focus support with cell phone docking to supplant the standard open plan. The Autopilot bundle, which packages a few dynamic security highlights, includes another $5,000, and the future full self-driving capability guaranteed for some uncertain time later on a further $3,000. The all-wheel drive D-Choice, when it ends up accessible, is additionally liable to cost a couple of $1,000s. Metallic paint hues include a further $1,000, and the required conveyance charge is $1,000 over that. While the Model 3 was broadly advanced as the $35,000 Tesla offering 200 or more miles of range, the truth for quite a bit of 2018 is that requests are being filled just for the long-range rendition, beginning at $44,000. In addition, the dominant part of Model 3s conveyed to date have been top-of-the-line forms with costs of $50,000 to $60,000.